In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build, export, and use your Asana reporting dashboard 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Asana in your browser and heading to the sign-in page. Sign in with your usual credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on the Asana home screen. Take a moment to notice the left sidebar. This is where you'll find key navigation, including reporting, which is where we're going next. Click reporting to open the analytics area. Here, choose Create Dashboard to start fresh. A dashboard is a canvas where you'll collect charts that answer the questions your team cares about. Things like how fast work is getting done, which projects are on track, and where bottlenecks might be forming. Now click Add Custom Chart. You'll be prompted to choose a chart style. Pick the one that best fits the question you're answering. For trends over time, line charts work well. If you want to compare categories, try a bar chart. For a quick snapshot of proportions or a single key number, consider a donut chart or a number tile. Next, define the data you want to visualize. Common choices include task completion rate, project progress, or even budgets if you're tracking financial fields in Asana. Keep the scope focused so the chart is easy to read at a glance. Then refine it with filters. Set a date range like the last 30 or 90 days, limit it to specific teams or projects, or include only certain task statuses and assignees. Consistent filters across charts make your dashboard easier to interpret. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Add to place the chart on the dashboard. You can repeat this process to build a set of complementary charts. Think one for overall throughput, one for overdue tasks, and one for upcoming workload, so viewers get context from multiple angles on a single screen. When your dashboard is ready for others to see, click Share. Add your teammates to the dashboard by inviting them through their work accounts and then click Invite. They'll get access instantly, and your dashboard will remain up to date as work changes in Asana, so you don't have to manually refresh or rebuild reports. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to reporting, created a dashboard, added a custom chart with the right style, targeted the data with filters, added it to your board, and shared the dashboard so your team can use it. Revisit your dashboard regularly to tweak filters and chart types as your goals evolve, and you'll always have a clear, actionable view of progress.